spa. Today we are meeting this lovely young lady. I've been seeing her for quite a long while at our clinic, and she's having laser hair removal treatment. Previously, she used to have waxing, etc.
Yeah.
And let me ask her, how was your experience at Renew Clinic?
So I think for many years I've been having waxing appointments every month, and it's costing around £80 to £100 a month, but nothing improves, and you've got potential. What's it called when the hairs get?
Yes.
When you get ingrowing hairs.
Ingrown hair.
From waxing, which happens quite frequently. From having laser, I would say that it's painless in comparison to waxing.
Yes.
There's no ingrowing hairs, but the best thing about it is that the hairs come back, or have been coming back, less frequently and at a much slower rate.
Yes.
So you can see progression as to just maintenance.
Sure, thank you. How was your experience with the staffs here at Renew Clinic?
I found, because your wife is also a doctor here.
Yes.
She's definitely my favourite.
Thank you. Thank you.
But I definitely think the staff here are just so friendly, and because obviously it's quite an intimate thing that you're having done here, and it's just always made to feel very comfortable. Always a coffee on site when you get here, and you feel very, very looked after.
Good. So what would you say about the flexibility of your appointments and your pricing? That's the most important bit.
I think because I'm self-employed, as you know,
Yeah.
a lot of the time I can end up working last minute, and I've had to cancel my appointments sometimes at 7 p.m. for the next morning.
Yeah.
And I've WhatsApped Dr. Nisha and just said I can't make tomorrow, and there's been no problem, there's been no cancellation fee, it's never been difficult. It's been very, very accommodating. And I think what's good about here is that you do package prices and deals. So instead of just doing one session, you can book 12.
Yes.
And you can get 12 sessions for the price of 8 if you do it. So I think that the packages that you do, because obviously laser is a process.
Yes.
So I think it's good to buy in bulk and save money that way.
Of course. What would you say about the quality and the results that you have achieved after having these treatments?
I feel very privileged, but I think it's because one of the main, I've got dark hair and light skin. So as your wife has said to me before, I'm a very good candidate for laser because it's very easy to pick up the dark on the fair skin.
Yes.
But I've had quite a lot of hair, and I'm just incredibly impressed with the dramatic reduction of it. I feel like I'm at a point now where I probably only need another few more sessions, and then it's done.
Very good. What would you like to, how would you like to rate this clinic in terms of pricing, your overall service, your results and everything? Where would you rate us?
So I would rate this clinic, I would say 10 out of 10 for the quality and the results, the price packages and deals, but also it's how lovely, friendly and accommodating the management and the staff are here as well.
Last question. Is it very easy to contact the clinic in out of hours and letting know your issues, or maybe rebook your sessions or book your session, whatever it is?
I think it's really good because not only can you call the clinic, it's the fact that you've got the WhatsApp message as well.
Yes.
So if you don't have time to make a call, or you're busy at work, you can send a WhatsApp message, and I think it's very efficient how the replies happen.
I'm glad that you're very happy, pleased with our service. Thank you again.